In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice, and I will share with you guys an easy niche that you can start as a beginner. So you just need to follow those steps and that's it. So let's get started. I already have like 5 faceless YouTube channels that's making me a lot of money. Like this channel, it made $5,725 in this month of March, okay? And this channel is making some days up to $321, okay, just in one single day, okay? $263, almost $200 per day, and that's it, okay? I will re-upload this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake, because a lot of people always asking me re-upload your page. I'm not like other people who are sharing with you screenshots, okay? It's not screenshot. This is my YouTube channel account, okay? And I re-upload this page. Let's see if those numbers will be the same numbers, okay? And as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers, okay? So anyways, I will show you. So like I said, guys, I have like 5 faceless YouTube channels, and this is my second channel, okay? This channel in the month of February made $80,297, okay, in just one single month, okay? And some days up to $456, as you can see, $430, $433 in just one single day. And I think this is the best day, $707, okay? So anyways, so for people who are interested to start a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice, I already found a profitable and an easy niche that you can start with as a beginner, okay? Let me show you. So I did a lot of research and I found this easy niche that you guys can start with. And just this, like this channel, okay, it's monetized, okay? For people who are asking, those videos will not get monetized, so then why this channel is monetized, okay? As you can see over here, this channel is monetized, okay? And this guy uploads just fire videos, okay, as you can see, and those videos are getting a lot of views. So for me, in my opinion, for me, I will not watch those videos, but there are a lot of people who are interested in this content, okay? And as you can see, so if we click over here on view channel state, you can see that this channel, let me show you, in the last 30 days, this channel, it's close to 10 million views, 9 million views. It's close to 10 million views. It's almost 10 million views, okay? This channel is making a lot of money, okay? Uploading just those easy and simple videos, and it's monetized, okay? And as you can see, those videos are getting a lot of views, okay? So to start a faceless YouTube channel like this one, you don't need to show your face, you don't need to use your voice. What you need to do, you just need to go to Google and search for Canva, okay? Search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, click over here on video. This will be your home page. Click on video and you will be directly in this page over here, okay? What you need to do next, click on elements and click over here on fire, click on the search and search for fire, okay? And click on videos, okay? And you will find a lot of videos here about fire, okay? Let's scroll down to find a good one that we can use to create like those videos, okay? So just keep scrolling down and choose good video, okay? We need to choose some videos like like this person, like this channel, okay? Let me show you. We need to find the video like this one, okay? So let's go to Canva again, scroll down. Okay, we can find good. There are a lot of videos here, as you can see, that you can use, okay? So let's scroll down. So you will find a lot of videos here. I think this one is good. Let's click on this one. And here you go. your video will be over here. Just click on your video, click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. Okay, click on add page. Okay, and click use the same video. Okay, because people love maybe just listening to the fire sound of those videos. Okay, and add the same video. Click on 3 points again, set video as background, scroll left, click on add page and add the same video. Okay, you need to make this video long, okay, because it should be long. Okay, like this one should be like those videos. Those videos are up to 10 hours. You can make it up to 10 hours on Canva. It's super easy. It will take just few minutes from your time. Okay, and add this one again like this, set video as background, click on add page, add the same video, 3 points again, set video as background, add page, and add this one again like this, and here you go. After you finish, let's check this video and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion. And here we go. As you can see, guys, it's super easy to make like those videos, fire videos. Okay, and when you will finish, okay, you can click over here on share and scroll down, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. It's super easy. Okay, and go and create a YouTube channel, start uploading like those videos like this one over here, like making, as you can see, uploading fire videos. This channel is getting almost 10 million views. Okay, that's really, this channel is making a lot of money. Okay, and that's it. Those are very simple. As a beginner, you can start with this niche if you want. It's up to you, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. And please, guys, if you are interested in this to start a faceless YouTube channel business, let me know in the comments. If a lot of people just comment YouTube automation, if a lot of people comment YouTube automation, I will start sharing with you guys a lot of profitable and easy niche on YouTube that you can start with as beginner. You will not need any editing skills or any experience. I can share with you a profitable niches that you can start with as a beginner.